Elephants, the giants of the animal kingdom. But did you know that they can hear with their feet or that they never forget a water source? From their incredible memory to their massive size, here's everything you need to know about the elephants. Have you ever wondered how many elephant species exist? There are generally three species of elephants: the African savanna elephant, the largest of all, the African forest elephant, smaller with straighter tusks, and the Asian elephant with smaller ears and a more curved back. African elephants can weigh up to 12,000 pounds, which is around 5.5 ton, and grow up to 13 feet or 4 meters tall. Asian elephants are slightly smaller but still massive. In the wild, they can live around 60 to 70 years, one of the longest lifespans of any land mammal. Elephants have the largest brains of any land animal. Their brain can weigh up to 11 pounds and are capable of problem solving, tool use, and even expressing emotions like grief and joy. Elephants never forget something. They have amazing memory and remember water sources, migration routes, and even other elephants they haven't seen in years. Only a few animals, like elephants, can recognize themselves in mirror. This proves self-awareness. But did you know that an elephant's trunk has over 40,000 muscles? They use it to grab objects, drink water, smell, and even give them dust baths. Elephants use their trunks like straws. They can suck up to over 10 liters of water in just one go and spray it into their mouths. But here's something more shocking. Elephants' tusks are actually teeth. Their tusks are elongated incisors growing throughout their lives. Some elephants are right-tusked or left-tusked, just like humans are right or left-handed. But due to heavy poaching, some elephant populations are evolving to be tuskless to survive. But have you ever wondered how much does an elephant eat? They can eat up to 300 pounds of food per day. They spend 16 to 18 hours just eating, consuming grass, bark, fruits, and leaves. Elephants also help shape their ecosystem by knocking down trees, digging for water, and spreading seeds. They create new habitats for other animals. But here's something funny about elephants. Elephants sometimes sleep standing up. In the wild, they mostly sleep standing to avoid predators, but in captivity, they lie down for deeper sleep. But unfortunately, elephants are endangered due to poaching and habitat destruction. African elephants' population has dropped significantly, and conservation efforts are crucial to saving them.